as 26 to 28, and they are based on condition-based blood relations. Now in this condition-based blood relation, we should always check out these elements, P and Q, and in the description also is talking from P to Q rather than Q to P. First we need to check out that one, because in meanwhile or in between, and there are some conditions that could be given in the reverse order. Upward reverse lo తీసుకోవాలి. First we need to ensure whether they were given in the same order or is there any condition that was given in the reverse order. Then coming to the first one, M percentage. M percentage means M is the father of N. Next one, N copyright. N is the mother of O. Next one, O at the rate of. O is the son of T. That means N and T are married couple. T is a male. And T $S. Dollar stands for T is the brother of S. And S at the rate of. And S is the son of R. S is the son of R. And R hash. R is the wife of Q. R is the wife of Q. This is the final arrangement. Then how is O related to U? U is son's son. Son's son is grandson. Choice 3, question number 26. Then 27. Now in this one, how is K related to Z? How is K related to Z? E star. E and F are siblings to each other. E and F are siblings. F hash. F is the wife of G. F is a female. G is a male. F is the wife of G. And G at the rate of. Now G is the son of H. Now the G is the son of H and H percentage. And H is the father of L. Now H percentage means H is the father of J. H is the father of J and J hash L. Hash stands for J is the wife of L, J and L. And next one, L percentage. L is the father of K. Then how is K related to Z? How is K related to G? Now K's gender is not known, either nephew or niece. Nephew or niece, choice 5, question number 27. Then 28. Now in this 28, B copyright C. Copyright stands for B is the mother of C and C at the rate of means C is the son of K. B and K are married couple. K is a male. K star. Now K and L are siblings to each other. And next one, L hash. L is the wife of W. L is a female. W is a male. L is the wife of W. W percentage. W is the father of U. And U dollar. U dollar means U is the brother of V. Now U is the brother of V. Saripenda? Then according to this one, how is C related to U? And U's mothers, isn't it? Then that means cousin. These two persons are cousins to each other. Choice to 28. Then 29 onwards. Now 29 to 30. 29, how many questions were there under this? 33. 29 to 33. Now here, now only 6 persons attending different examinations in a week and starting from Monday, ending on Saturday. Monday to Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now 6 persons are attending to these 6 examinations held on 6 different days. Going to be held on 6 different days. Then coming to condition number 1, one exam between S and the one who is attending RRB. Now between S and RRB, how many persons are there? There is exactly 1. And R is attending IBPS. What about this R? R is IBPS. Then T is attending 2 days after the one ISRO. Now 2 days after the one ISRO, that means between T and ISRO there must be exactly 1 person. And T and ISRO, there must be exactly 1 person here. And He is attending 2 days after the one ISRO. IBPS is neither held on Wednesday nor Saturday. IBPS neither Wednesday nor Saturday or cannot be on these 2 places, on these 2 days. And 2 exams are held between Q and ESIC. Now between Q and ESIC, how many examinations are there? There must be exactly 2. And ESC is attending after Q. And so few examinations between ESIC is after this one. Now, ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం possibilities రాసుకోవచ్చు because we have only 2 possibilities. Then ESIC, 2 exams are held between LIC and SBA. Now LIC and SBA again 2. T is on Thursday. Now T Thursday there is finalized. Now if T is on Thursday and next one ISRO and T, there must be exactly 1 ISRO must be here. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Now ISRO and T we have taken. Then next one, now 2 in between Q and ESIC. Now if ESIC here, then Q in between these two, that is one possible. సరిపోయిందా? And in the next possibility, what is the other possibility? We have T is here. Then if T is here, now ISRO will be here, that is fixed. Then now if ESIC is at this place, then Q must be ISRO. అంతే కదా, two possibilities, and Q and ESIC, and ISRO and blank T, and SREEDHARS there is exactly one. R and IBPS, R and IBPS అన్నారు. Now R and IBPS, now in this case R must be here. అంతే కదా, R is IBPS. Follow here లేదా? Now in this case R can be here, R can be here, there are two different possibilities. If R is IBPS, now two exams between T is attending before S and P is attending neither ISRO nor LIC, and two exams between LIC and SBI. Now LIC and SBI, how many are there? And there are two in between LIC and SBI, LIC or SBI. Then what is the other examination left over here? LIC, SBI, ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయిన ఎగ్జామ్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి? RRB. Isn't it? RRB is. If RRB is here, now between S and RRB there must be exactly one person, S must be here. Now we have done with this information as well. RRB and S. Then and Q and ESIC done, and two exams between LIC, T and T before S, and P is attending neither ISRO nor LIC. P is neither ISRO nor LIC but attending before you. Now P is before you, P is here, then U is here, and P is not attending for LIC and SBI, and this must be LIC. Then now this is about question numbers 29 to 30. Then 34, 34 and 35 is based on just a comparison. Then what are the comparisons here? And 6 bottles were there, and they have different quantities of milk. Now these 6 bottles are being compared in the quantities of milk, and only 2 bottles have less quantity of milk than E. That means E must be in which place? My friend is రాసుకున్నారు ఇది. Now here 34 and 35. Now 6 bottles were there. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in this case, now among these 6, only 2 have less quantity milk than E. Now milk than E, there must be only 2. And D has more quantity than A. D is more than A, and B has more quantity than E. Now B is having more quantity than E. F does not have the least quantity of milk. F cannot be at the 6th place. And C has less quantity than A. B has less quantity than B. Now B is having less quantity than whom? A. Now B is also having less quantity than A, and below this A we need to have B. Then tell me what is the order we have? Then now above this B, and you need to have A and D. And so D, A, B, next one F, and left over C will be. Mintena? And 34 and 35. Then 36 to 40. 7 persons born in the same year, 7 different months, Jan to July. And each person born in different, they like different colors. Now one of the parameters is given. Must start Jana. Now the months, what are the months we have? Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, and July. Month June, July వరకు ఇచ్చారు, 7 persons. Now June to July. Then now 7 persons attending on this, born on these 7 different months, and at the same time, and each likes different color. Now each of these likes different color. Then coming to condition number 1 here, my first one చెప్పండి. Now in the first one, 3 persons between B and the one who was born in a month having even number days. Isn't it? B and the one who is born in even number days. My even number days, tell me what are the different possibilities we have for that. My ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? April, June, they are for sure. But it's February based on the year. Whether it's a leap year or a non-leap year. If it is a leap year, then odd number days, non-leap year, even number days. Hence broadly we have 3 possibilities, And out of these, let us start with these two possibilities first. మీదైతే మనకి డెఫినెట్గా తెలిసినవే కదా. And so let us start with this one. Then if these two are invalid, then we can start with February as B. Then 3 persons between B and the 1 and who is born in an even number days. Now even number days, B and even number. Now if a person born in April, now between B and April there must be exactly 3 persons. Is it possible? Not possible. And anyhow that case is ruled out. Then let us take this February. Now this February here, then B must be in the month of June. There are 3 months between, we have considering the other possibility as well. Or, and what is the next possibility we have? We can have B at this place. Then June is 30 days. And there are exactly 3 persons B and the one who was born in the number of days 30. And D likes yellow color. D and yellow. And 2 persons between G and the one orange. And G and orange, how many? There must be exactly 2. Now G and orange, and there must be exactly 2 persons between G and orange. But one of the persons born in the month having least number of days. One of the persons means either G or the one who likes orange. Isn't it? One of the person. Now here, now how many persons here? This person cannot be G. Orange is here. If orange is here, G will be here. మరి సరిపోయిందా? మరి ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఉండో చెప్పండి. Either G or orange will be here. G or orange. Anything could be at this place. G or orange. Then G and the one who likes, but one of the persons born in the month having least number. One who likes brown was born in April. Now brown like born in April. Now here this is about brown and in April. And next one, and C was just before B. C born just before B, and one who likes orange was born after G. Orange is after G. Now in this case, orange is after G, that is ruled out. Now orange is after G, hence orange is after G means, hence here orange cannot be here, hence where should this orange? Now who must be here? G is here. Now G is here. Now between G and orange, how many persons are there? 2 people, hence orange is here. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Yes. And C was born just before B, and one who likes orange born after G. And next one, F likes neither brown nor red. F is neither brown nor red in color. Neither brown nor red color. E likes black and born before G. And where is this E? E likes black and born before whom? Before G. This is the only possibility we have for this E. E and black. The next one, G and R is done. And D and yellow, and F neither brown nor red color. And E likes black. 2 persons between A and black. Now between A and black there are exactly 2 people. A is here. And 2 persons between red and the one who likes green color. Red and green, there must be exactly 1. Red or green, here red or green, that is the only possibility we have. Then red or green like this. Then D likes yellow. Well, should this D must be here, and this D likes yellow color. And if D is here, F must be here. F likes neither brown nor red, hence red cannot be here, and this person must like green color. And if this person likes green, and this B must like red color. And if B likes red color, and only one more color that is left, or what is that color? Blue. And who must like blue color? G must like blue color. Done? Now this is about question number 36 to 40. Done with this paper? No? 49. Then coming to question number 49 onwards. And 49 number series, wrong number. 5098 in Jester. Now 5098, 180, 183, the difference is very less in number. Hence we must check out for difference. Now 50 and 98, what is the difference between these two? 48. And 98 and 133, what is the difference we have? And 98 and 133, the difference is so much 35. Then next one 133 and 157, one difference ante ikkada 24. What are these numbers? 7 square minus 1, 6 square minus 1, 5 square minus 1. Then 4 square minus 1 ఎంత రావాలి? 15. 157 plus 15 must be 2 and 172, 171 is the wrong number. Now the difference between the numbers can be written as n square minus 1. Then question number 15. Now in this 50, numbers starting with 6 and ending with 1337. Now 400 to 1300 at least multiplied thrice and 6 and 17. 6 into 3 minus 1. Right? Now 17 into 3 and here 51 into how much? And 51 into 3 minus 4 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. And next one 149 into 3 ఎంత చెప్పండి? 150 into 3 and 450 minus 3 447 minus 1. Here again into 3 minus 1. And so what is your answer here? 17 into 3 minus 1 50 and 51 into 50 into 3 minus 1 149. Survey the answer. Then now 50 into 3 minus 1 149 and the wrong number is 51. Choice by question number 50. Then 51. Now in this 51 number starting with 8 800 and is in and it has been increased to 24,000. Then 800 into 24 and into 3 and next one 24 2400 into 2.5. Now follow or else and remove 2 zeros. Our India 0 తీసేయండి. Then what are the numbers left over here? 8, 24, 824 and 60, 120, 180, 240. Then 8 into 3. Now this is into 2.5 into 2 into 1.5. Isn't it? 3, 2.5 to 1.5. This must be into 1. Hence what is the wrong number here? And 240 is the wrong number. That is wrong. One number పెద్దైతే మీరు కంగారు పడతారు. Remove those 2 zeros, it would be easier for me. Then 52. Now 52 numbers starting with 3 ending with 924. ఏం చేయాలి? Definitely under product or combination. Now product and combination we should always check out that highest pair. Now 150 how many times? Into 6. మరి రాసుకోవచ్చు లేదా? Into 6 minus 6 అవుతుందా? And here now in this one ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? Now 39. In 32 into 5 160 minus 5 into 6 minus 6 into 5 minus 5. Next ఎంత రావాలి? Into 4 minus 4 into 3 minus 3 into 2 minus 2. Now 3 into 2 6 minus 2 4. 4 into 3 12 minus 3 ఎంత రావాలి? 9. 9 into 4 minus 4 30. Clear? What is the wrong number here? 10. That is choice to question number 50. చూడండి ఎలా మనకు క్రాక్ చేస్తున్నాం. కాంబినేషన్ ఆల్వేజ్ అట్ ద హైయెస్ట్ పేర్. అదే మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఏం చేస్తారు? ఇంటూ 1 + 1 దగ్గర అయిపోతారు. ఆ ఇంటూ 1 + 1 ఏం చేస్తారు? ఇంటూ 1 + 1 స్క్వేరా ఇంటూ 1 + 1 క్యూబ్ ఏమో తెలియదు. నిజండి మొత్తం స్టక్ అయిపోతుంది. సెకండ్ నెంబర్కి వచ్చేటైంకి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎటు వెళ్ళడానికి కావు. బికాస్ దట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఈజ్ ద రాంగ్ నెంబర్. దెన్ hence in the case of combination always check out at the highest pair. Then and what is the wrong number here? 10 choice. And coming to 53. Now in this 53 మన నెంబర్ చెప్పండి. 53 మన దేని కింద వస్తుంది? 53 difference. Now what is the difference we have? 87. 13 plus 14 27. And next difference is so much? Minus 11. Next one plus 27 minus 11 plus 27. 19 plus 27 is not 145 and choice 1 question number 50. Then 54. Now in this 54 15 36. ఏం చేద్దాం చెప్పండి? Now again the difference between the numbers. Now 15 and 36 the difference is so much? 21. And next difference is so much? 13. And 66 and 99 33. Next difference is so much? 38. Now here this is 5 3. Next ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి? 5 3 1. And what is the wrong number here? Now this is the wrong. Clear? Difference of differences. The differences may be 38 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 29 must be the difference. Sarvina? Now choice 1 question number 54. Else anything else? Now this is about RRB, clerk prelim as well as PO.